Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. My name is Wilson Potts, and I'm a program advisor in LMU Study Abroad. Congratulations on taking the first steps towards engaging in a one-of-a-kind global internship this summer, and our team is excited to work closely with you in the coming weeks. By now, you should have received an email from LMU Study Abroad inviting you to begin your Global Internship Program application for the summer 2021 term. Following the link within this email, you'll be taken to the LMU Study Abroad applicant portal here. If you don't already have an account created with our office, you'll be prompted to do so first. If you have already created an account with LMU Study Abroad, you may choose to log into your Study Abroad portal through My LMU's single sign-on feature. The link to Study Abroad is posted under the Academics tab within Learning Content. We've also included a hyperlink here in the PowerPoint and video description titled Link to Your Application, which will direct you to your portal. Once logged in, you should see your global internship application under the Summer 2021 term. Click this Global Internship Program tab to access your Summer 2021 materials. Upon opening your application, you'll notice that there are 6 steps required in order to complete your Global Internship Program onboarding. These are a resume upload, a statement of interest, an unofficial transcript copy, a use of application information document, important information for LMU Global Internship Program participants, and last but not least, potential areas of focus for your internship experience. Please note that some of these items require a document to be uploaded, such as the resume, statement of interest, and unofficial transcript copy, while others, like the use of application information and important information for LMU Global Internship Program participants, instead require an applicant's signature. Let's explore these items more in the next few slides, starting with the first item, your resume upload. You'll notice that in clicking on each item, there will appear an explanation of what is required, as well as helpful links to guide your planning. For example, in clicking on Resume Upload, the first item in your application to-do list, you'll see both instructions to complete this application section and a space to upload your final Word or PDF resume copy. At this stage in your application, please note that your resume does not need to be perfect, nor show specific experiences in certain areas. Remember, LMU's Global Internship Program is for students of all levels, from beginner to experienced, and once accepted, students will continue to sharpen their resume, or CV, with their internship placement advisors. Next, let's take a closer look at item number 2, your statement of interest upload. Here, after uploading your resume copy, you'll next be asked to upload a brief statement of interest describing what it is that attracts you to the Global Internship Program this summer and how this experience might fit into your professional, academic, or personal interests. Remember, students will not receive their specific Global Internship site assignment until later in their program onboarding. So in this short statement, you may instead speak more generally to how this virtual workplace and intercultural learning experience may impact you. From here, you'll go on to submit a copy of your unofficial transcript, review and sign 2 informational documents, and then move into the last item of your application, potential areas of focus for your internship experience. Let's take a deeper look at that section next. Here, in the potential area of focus for your internship experience section, you'll be able to indicate what academic, professional, and intercultural interests you may hope to incorporate into your Global Internship Program experience this summer. Once your application is complete, our team will reference your responses here to help narrow down internship program opportunities that match and align with your interests and goals. Once you've completed all 6 items in your application, a green banner will appear indicating that you've completed all current requirements and are ready to submit your application for review. If you have any questions about your application, please don't hesitate to contact our team by email at studyabroad@lmu.edu. If you still have remaining questions about the Global Internship Program application or the experience at large, we encourage you to join a drop-in Global Internship Program advising session on Fridays at 2 p.m. or contact our team by email at studyabroad@lmu.edu. Thanks again, and we look forward to speaking soon.